10 Simple and Fun Dog Training Tricks. 1. Give kiss. One of the simplest techniques to teach a dog is how to kiss. Even though not everyone enjoys a big, wet doggy smooch, kids typically enjoy this dog trick very much. You may quickly instruct your dog to provide you all the affection you desire by placing a small goodie on your cheek and saying the command. Teaching your dog to kiss on command has another advantage in that it might assist you stop uninvited licking. 2. Speak. It's entertaining and helpful to address a typical behavior issue by teaching a dog to speak. The commands, speak, and quiet, are frequently suggested by dog trainers as a way to halt excessive barking. By putting these on command, you can manage when your dog should start and stop barking while still allowing them to bark in specific circumstances. Showing off your dog's verbal prowess during family gatherings is also a lot of fun. 3. Back up. Back up is a cute dog trick that can be useful in a number of circumstances. Once your dog has mastered the ability to back up when instructed, you can use it to stop it from rushing out the door, crowding you at the refrigerator, or just to amuse your friends. It's not too difficult to educate a dog to back up. All you need is a little patience and a few sweets. A dog can be swiftly trained to advance a few steps when instructed to do so. 4. Shake paws. Have your dog shake hands, or paws, as the case may be, with your buddies. You can usually teach a dog to perform this simple dog trick in a few quick training sessions. The positive attention that most dogs naturally love receiving when performing tricks will make them want to use their paws more often. 5. Wave. A delightful and comparatively easy canine trick is teaching a dog to wave hello or goodbye. To begin, teach your dog to shake paws. To teach your dog to lift its paw to wave, you will employ the same motion that it does to shake. This is a wonderful attention-grabbing technique that will be adorable to see. 6. Spinning. You may simply get your dog to spin by holding a reward close to its nose. You can train your dog to spin in a certain direction if you want to make this dog trick more challenging. When you demonstrate to your friends how your dog can distinguish between left and right, they will be astounded. 7. Beg. What could be cuter than watching your dog stand up on its hind legs and hold up its paws in a treat-begging posture? With a little perseverance, your dog will be sitting up to beg in no time. This dog trick can be a little trickier to train a dog to do than some of the others. 8. Roll over. Most owners begin teaching their dog to roll over in little steps, working up to teaching them to do it completely. Training a dog to perform this trick may need some work, but it will be well worth it. 9. Lie down. When you hold up your finger like a gun, yell, bang, and your dog collapses to the ground to play dead, your pals will be absolutely floored. Even though it appears difficult, teaching a dog to play dead is not as difficult as you might imagine, especially if you have already taught it to roll over. 10. Bow. A canine trick called taking a bow includes having your dog put its chest on the floor while maintaining its rear end in the air. Although it may seem like a challenging dog trick to teach a dog, bowing is actually a behavior that comes naturally to dogs. If you need more information, just click the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.